Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna do a bit different because I mixed pastel colors. I'm not a fan of them at all, but I'm gonna use them in a small Dutch pour for an experiment and use it with the bronze and the paynes gray. So let's see if this will be beautiful or not. I'm using an old scraped off canvas. That's what I mostly do for experiments. Okay, I'm starting with the paynes gray. Let's go with the pastel blue. And bronze. And then pastel pink. And we have the yellow. Oh! White around this. Let's blow it back out. Okay, turned out better than I thought. No, I don't like this color, the purple pastel. Even more. So this turned out way better than I thought, because the pastel colors are very subtle in this painting. But yeah, I'm also using these paynes gray for the last videos a lot, but I'm trying to see how it works with the different colors. And this is a good one. I must say I like it. If you would have said or asked me before, I think I would have said for 99% I would have hated it, but no, it turned out good. So let me know what you think, and also have you made some paintings with pastel? Let me know, and I'll see you next video.